Hello everyone, welcome to Lifestyle. To make this recipe, we need first bread. I use brown bread, chopped cucumber, spicy mixed namkeen, mayonnaise and ketchup, butter and pepper. Black pepper it is. Now turn on the gas and place the pan over the gas. Heat the pan and then use 1 teaspoon of butter. Butter is melted now. Time to toast breads both sides evenly. Turn off the gas now. Time to mix mayonnaise and ketchup together. Mix it well and spread over the bread. Now time to add spicy mixed namkeen or Bengali namkeen, which is also known as chanachur. This is a very nice afternoon snacks, or you can have it in the morning also. Now we are going to add chopped cucumber, now time to add salt. I use pink salt or rock salt as per taste. Now I am using black pepper. Sprinkle it over the bread. Our snacks is ready to serve now. If you like the video, please subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon, do like, share and comment. Thanks for watching.